Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, if you have some kind of case on your device, you'll need to take it off and then locate the tray, which... Okay, so we'd actually have to take off the cover. So we can do it by just ripping it off, starting from the top left side. Now you want to be careful about it, don't try to bend it too much. It is plastic, so it can just straight up break. And once you pop it off, you can see that right here at the back we have access to our SD tray and SIM tray. Now unfortunately, by the looks of it, for the SD tray, or not SD, sorry, the SIM tray, we need to pop out our battery. So let's just do that. Let's grab our card, and you just want to hold it like so. Pop it right here on the lower tray, as there is like two layers to it, and just push it in. Now if you're wondering how you will get the SIM card later on out of here, because it is kind of difficult, you could do this, but there is actually a way easier way to do it, and I'm going to show you this right now. You just kind of pop that back in here. I'm going to bring it super close as this is barely visible, but there is this little latch right here, right above my fingernail. If I just grab it, pull it down, you can see that the card comes out, and same when I push it in, this latch kind of goes up. So yeah, it's an easy way for you to just pull it and then take out the card, just for your future information. Now grabbing our SD card, just place it like so and slide it in. And that's it. We're gonna pop our battery back in and boot up the device. Okay, shortly we should be taken to our home screen, or at least the lock screen, and by God that takes longer than actual reset of some phones. Great job Samsung, you knocked it out of the park. So right here you can see it prompts me to confirm my SIM card pin, so I'm going to do that, and obviously that means that the SIM card is working. Now I do have a pin that is very similar, just 6-digit, and SD card should be working as well, which we'll see in a second if there is some kind of notification. Come on, I believe in you, you can do it. Oh, there we go, so it just popped up. So, there we go. Both of the cards are working without any kind of steps needed. So, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.